This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Got a starter here. 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo with the 4.0. We're going to show you how to replace the starter. Now, I already got the starter here. Now, check this out, guys. A lot of repair shops out there will not allow you to get your own parts. Why? I don't know. But there's a lot of them out there, I guess, because in that way, they can't get you for extra. Because the markup from a repair shop to what you can get it for is ridiculous. And a lot of times I always like to tell the customer, you're better off getting the parts yourself because it comes out a lot cheaper and you get a better warranty. For example, as a repair shop, we have to give a year warranty. So we definitely give that year warranty on parts and labor. But if you go to like AutoZone, Advance, or something like that, O'Reilly, the warranty on their parts are lifetime warranty. So, and your parts come out cheaper. So it's best doing that way. Alright, what we're going to do here is jack the vehicle up, get it up on jack stands. Jack stands is very important because you do not want the vehicle to fall down on you. Alright, customer got the starter, let's get that done. We'll be right back. Alright guys and girls, we got the right side of the vehicle jacked up and I got it up on jack stands. Now, if you're jacking up a vehicle on dirt, you want to make sure you have a solid base for that jack stand, or that jack stand will go right inside the ground and it's a good chance the car will come down on you. Now, the starter on this vehicle is located on the right rear of the engine. There it is right there. And what I'm going to do here so you can get a great view of this is I'm going to remove this tire. Now, you don't have to remove the tire, but I want to so I can set the jack stand to camera up right about here so you can get a perfect look at what's going on. Alright, so let me pull this tire off and set this camera up and we'll be right back. Alright guys, here we go. Let me try to find a good angle. In fact, let me cut my light on over here. I got this hooked up. And matter of fact, can I get that from the top? No, it'd be better looking at it down this way. Alright, let's get up under here and see if we can see this better. Alright, there's our starter right there. And what we're going to do first is remove the two nuts that's holding on the wiring harness. Let me get up under here. And what we have here is a 13 millimeter and we have an 8 millimeter or 5/16. So what I'm going to do here, this is a good one. Hook up my other one first. I'm gonna have my 1/4-inch drive ratchet with my 2-inch extension and my deep 8 millimeter socket. And what I'm gonna do is go in here and get that loose. There we go. All right, got that one loose. And we're gonna take it off. Can I set this camera down? So there we go. Alright, we're going to get that one off. And then for the top one, we're going to use our same ratchet and extension. But this time we're going to use a 13 millimeter deep 1/4-inch drive. And get that one off. Alright. Now let's take both of those nuts off and get that harness out of the way. Right back. Alright, we got the both nuts off. Take our harness, pull it off, pull it to the side, and then we go under the vehicle and you got two bolts holding the starter in. You got one bolt right here and one bolt right up here. Let's get our sockets and all to get those off. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to get to this top bolt first, because that was a little bit more difficult to get to. So what I got here is a 15mm shallow with my 3/8 drive swivel head ratchet. And you can probably use a straight, but I like the swivel, because yeah, I can go back and forth. And all right, so let's get that loose. All right, what I'm gonna do is take this bolt completely out, so we have that one out, and then we're gonna get to the bottom one. All right, be right back. All right, got this bolt completely out. It's a short starter bolt. Set that down, and now let's go to our bottom bolt. Now be careful, because once you take out the bottom bolt, the starter will start dropping. And let me show you real quick. See how loose it is? It's ready to come out of there. All right. So, matter of fact, let's see if I can do this. Set this camera up. Okay, we got the bolt out. Take our starter, drop it down. This starter don't look like it's been, this starter looks pretty good. It's pretty new. Still got the sticker on the side and it remanufactured, huh? Huh. Okay, let's set this down. Get this out of here, and let's go get our new starter. Be right back. All right, guys, we got our new starter. I'm gonna get up under there, and I got you at an angle where you can see the bottom bolt that holds in the starter. So that way, I can get up under here. And I'm gonna show you exactly, this is the bottom bolt hole right there. So what I'm gonna do here is bring the starter up, put it into the hole, and then I'm going to start that bottom bolt in there. There we go. That's great. In fact, wait a minute. Wait 1 minute here. These are some really short bolts. You know, I'm very surprised at these bolts. These bolts should have been longer so it can grab onto more threading. But that's okay. All right, I got the one bolt holding it in, and what I'm doing is reaching to the top, and I'm getting the other bolt started in. Now we're going to take our 15mm 3/8 drive socket, and we're going to go ahead and tighten up the bottom one and tighten up the top. All right, so let's get those tightened up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got that bolt started, tightened up. The next thing we're gonna do is get our harness again. Let's see if we can set this camera down right there. Perfect. Let's get our harness. Hook our harness onto it, and then we got the new nuts that go on the top, go onto that. Now the top one, the one that has a 13mm, it has a lock washer going on it first, and then the nut. So we're gonna get that up there, get it started by a couple threads. You definitely want to get it started by a couple threads so you don't cross thread anything. And then we go down there and get our 8mm on. Perfect. Now, tightening these up, you want to be very careful, because this solenoid is partially made of plastic. So you don't want to over tighten it and strip it out. So what you want to do here is, I got my 13mm deep 1/4 inch drive with my 2-inch extension. And what I'm going to do is, you want to tighten it up till it stops by hand. And then a little bit more. Done. That's it. And especially you want to do that with the bottom one, with the 8mm or 5/16, because that's even smaller. So, I'm gonna put it down, tighten it till it stops, and a little bit more. That's it. Job well done. Get our tools from up under here. Let me grab the camera. Here we go. All right, there's our old starter. Now, guys, you want to pay attention, because the number one reason why a starter would go is if oil is leaking onto it. And I mean, this is dirty and all, but I don't see no oil. But it is. There is a little oil right around there, because this starter don't look like it's been in there too long. All right, let's get our light from under here, get everything on there. Let's put our tire back on. I guess I didn't have to take the tire off, because I wanted to show you a better angle, but I ended up finding an even better angle. Oh, we're gonna look like we're gonna need a stabilizer joint right here. And the customer went to get a battery also, so we can't start it up. So we're gonna put this back in the box, and that'll be that. We'll be right back.
All right, so today we had a 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 4.0. I believe this is a 2-wheel drive. So we did the starter, all done, easy as pie. Okay, so if you guys have any questions or comments, you can post them below in the comments section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. He couldn't help himself. He just had to add that in there. All right, so hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.